Alright, we are working on just a Hyundai wheel here, but it's got one of those locks that you gotta have the special tool for, and I don't have it. And there's this set, Yekepro, whatever. Anyway, wheel lug removal set. So, just some sizing things. You know, that's a 19 mil. It's too small. So this one is a 21 mil. It's gonna fit on this guy, and we're just gonna see a few tappy taps. Let's see if we can get that guy off there. I got my 1/2 inch drive ratcheting wrench. So before we try getting into an impact, just want to see if it'll work. Oh, is it working or is it slipping off? Come on. Please be a winner. No. I just basically have a bunch of shavings, and that is... Okay, so we're gonna need to go a little harder. I feel like I slipped off again. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna try this 22. It goes on it basically all the way. I feel like, but I feel like that's slipping again. Yep. More shavings. Back to the 21. Did we? Did we? I feel like we have success this time. We do. Code name, beat this the hell on there. Alright, so time to get this out. In this kit, they give you this, basically it's a ramrod to get your guy out of here. Just put it in a vise. Boom. Bob's your uncle. So, yeah, it works. You just gotta really give it the old wacky whack. So, but you can tell, maybe you can't tell. Let's see. I don't know how many lug nuts you'd get off on this thing before it no longer functions. Like there's wear marks already inside here, but I've got to take off 4, so we'll see. You can see the marks where it barely dug in. So now that I know the trick, the question is, will it be faster this time? Listen, you gotta really give it hell. Oh, did that go? I feel like that's going. Yep. Okay, kids. Well, yeah, they work, but just give it the good ugga-duggas to begin with and save yourself a lot of time. Alright, so if you're curious about buying one of these for 20 bucks versus whatever it costs to find the key and do everything else, yeah, I'd say these are worth it. So, there you go. Thanks. Hope it helped you out.